Hey guys, and welcome back again. It's me, Blessing. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please kindly subscribe and join the family, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. In today's class, we'll be making this pattern, how to create a pattern like this. If you are interested, definitely keep on watching and let's go. So guys, this is me what I need in this particular tutorial. This is the fabric I will be working with. This is my pattern paper that I will be drafting my design or my pattern. Okay, so if you have a fabric that already have a pattern, you can use that. But this my fabric here, I don't have a pattern, so I just go ahead to create my own pattern. This is me here drawing my pattern, the kind of pattern I really want. For this particular one, I really want a round circle pattern, but my pattern paper did not have enough space for me to create that full circle. Okay, so that's why I just go ahead to come out with this particular pattern. You can create any pattern of your choice, you can create any pattern you want. Okay, so this one here, this is what I want. Okay, based on the outfit I want to make the design with. Okay, so now I will just go ahead to trace out this pattern carefully. I will just trace out where I draw, I will trace out the round part. Okay, so guys, here it is. This is how it looks like after tracing. Now I'll bring out this fabric here like this. Then first of all, I will fold it into two. I will first of all fold it into two. Then I will fold it again, meaning I'm folding it into four. Okay, so guys, after folding, this how it will be looking like. You can see it's four, so that you can see that it's four now. I folded it into four like I said. So I will bring out this pattern like this and place it. I notice that the space, the allowance is too much, so this is me trying to reduce the length, as in the width. Okay, trying to reduce it so that I will not waste the fabric. So now I've placed the pattern on top of the fabric like this. Then what I will do is to use a pin to secure it. I will pin the pattern and the fabric together like this. Okay, then after pinning, now I can go ahead to cut it out. I will trace it like so. So guys, after tracing this how it looks like, you can see that altogether now there are four, because you can still fold it as many as you want. You can fold it as five, you can still fold it like I just needed four. That is why I fold my four. I fold it four. I don't know if you understand. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So now this is the pattern. I've already cut out the pattern. You can see how it looks like. Now what I will do here is to take this pattern paper aside because it's no longer needed. Okay, so now the next thing we'll be doing, this is my black ST. Okay, this is a black ST. You can go ahead to use the white if you want. So now I will use it to, I will take it to my ironing table and attach it to the main fabric. So here I double the hairstay, I double it, and I I iron it to the main fabric. I double the hairstay. Take note, okay? It's not just once. I double it. So now I will take it to I will use a solder iron to hem the side. If you have a weaving machine, a industrial weaving machine, go ahead to use industrial weaving machine to lock the edges. Since I don't have weaving machine, I will use what I have to lock it so that it will be neat at the side. Okay, so guys, let's go. So now this is me trying to mesh, as in I'm doing the side so that there will be no rough there. It will be neat at this side. But if you, like I said, if you have weaving machine, industrial weaving machine, go ahead to lock the side so that it will be neat there. Okay, so guys, after that I will just do it. I will do all of this pattern. You remember there are four. I will do all of it so that I'll come back to show you guys how it looks like at the end, of this part here. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like, very beautiful. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please join this family by clicking on the subscribe button. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.